So now let's see how you can work around with the background option inside of Canva. So to work around with backgrounds, let me just click on background right over here. And here you can see that you can choose different backgrounds that you can work with. So you can click on any one of these images and it'll be applied as a background, as you can see right here. And these are simple plain images which are actually backgrounds. So if I were to click on this, I can move them around as a picture, as you can see right over here, and press done. If I want to use them as a picture, I can simply right click on it and click on detach image from background right over here. And once I do that, you can use them as a regular image, as you can see right over here. So I'm just going to delete this out, and over here on the top you can see that there's color option over here as well. So you can go around into different color options, click on it, and the color is applied. You can also go around to the color option right over here and choose the color of your choice from this handle right over here as well, if you want to. You can also search for different backgrounds. So let's say, for example, you want star background right over here. Press enter. You get similar backgrounds according to your choice right over here. So once you click on this, as you can see, the star background will be applied over here, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can work around with backgrounds inside of Canva.